Okay, so we have this awesome program. Okay, I want to talk about this real quick called Hyper-V. And this is Hyper-V Manager, as you can see on the top left. Hyper-V Manager is a emulation program that makes virtual machines. It's really, really good for labs, especially when you're learning, like many of you are aspiring, beginner technicians, and you're wanting to get in the information technology field. It's a great way to learn without destroying your host machine, which is the main machine you're using. Obviously, you want to keep that one safe and secure from all disasters. And so, what I would like to show you is a little bit about how to, first of all, to get this to work. You're going to have Windows Professional or Windows Enterprise. And so, to do that, you would go to Control Panel and you would go and you'd go to Programs and you go to Programs and Features, and you would go over here on the left and you would turn Windows features on or off, because this is not going to be turned on or off. You're going to get this dialog box. It's not going to be turned on by default. So you're going to have to turn this on by clicking this box that says Hyper-V. I'm not going to do it right now because I've already done it. But then when you get done with that, it's going to prompt you. It's going to say, okay, I need to restart. So you're going to restart the PC. Then you're going to go down here and hit start. And you're going to see Hyper-V Manager. You just might have to type HY in the search right here, and then it will come up. And of course, you launch it, and you're going to get this screen here. Now, as you can see my Linux Mint is already installed. So it's a Linux box. In IT, we use the term box a lot, but Linux Mint is right here, and this is a virtual machine. Now I'm going to right-click this machine, and I'm going to click Start. Okay, and it asks me if I want to start from the last point. I usually just say Continue on this. Starts it up. Okay, I got about 16 gigs of RAM on this, anyways, this is running, and now right-click it again, hit Connect, and it's going to launch the virtual machine. Okay, now when the virtual machine comes up, we're going to have, depending on what kind of virtual machine it is, it could be a lot of different screens, right? But there it is, Linux Mint right here, and you can move it around. You can take it and drag it, right? You can drag the whole virtual machine. Look, see, it's kind of nice. So if you have a dual monitor, you can just drag it like a window and drag it over. So a lot of you guys are already familiar with this, but this is a real beginner video for everybody. But here's Firefox down here on Linux Mint. Click that up, right? You can open up YouTube real quick. Notice it's sharing my host internet. Okay, my host internet connection. So I got my internet connection through my host machine, and that's really good. So now I got YouTube running, everything's running good, and it's excellent. Of course, you probably can't hear anything. I can't hear anything either right now, but there's the internet connection connected to the wired network, as you can see. All right, pretty cool. As far as sound goes, like, I don't know, sound. I'm looking at Linux here real quick. Dummy output. Now, I think the reason why it's not working because I'm not sharing my host sound card for this, so we can set that up, but I'm just not doing it right now. So I don't really care about that right now. I just wanted to show you guys, hey, you can go into Linux Mint on my machine here. I mean, obviously it would be a different machine for you, but I'm going to close this out. I'm going to shut it down, and then I'm going to show you one more thing, and then we're going to close out the video. So right here is a thing called Quick Create. We click on that, and these are ISO files, and you can create Windows 10, Ubuntu 18, Ubuntu 20, Ubuntu 22, and then you got a Windows 11 dev environment. And you can create these machines, and they'll show up over here, and then you'll have it in your Hyper-V Manager. Again, this is called Hyper-V Manager, where you have all your virtual machines. You can also download ISOs from the internet, which is what I did to create my Linux Mint. because they don't have Mint here. They have Ubuntu, which is nice, but they don't have Linux Mint. Um, One thing I like about Linux Mint is I don't have to worry about um, a lot of the time you don't get the whole area to work with on the window, and there's some things you got to install and things, and it's kind of a pain a little bit. But I'm going to let you go. I just wanted to show you a little bit about virtual machines, and I'm using Hyper-V. It's free. As long as you have Windows Professional or Windows Enterprise, it's free. All you got to do is turn it on. It will not be turned on by default. You have to do it manually. Okay, so and then it's going to ask you to restart, and then when it comes back up, you're going to have to type Hyper-V, open it up, and then we'll go through creating a virtual machine in Hyper-V some other time. But I just wanted to give you a brief survey of that so you guys can see it. All right, I hope you're having a good day, everybody. I'm going to go. Have a good day. Bye bye.